As always, it's a pleasure to be delivering a Christmas message to you from a very festive shopping outlet in Bridgend. 2025 has been another demanding year for policing and our emergency service partners as we work together to help keep you, the people of South Wales, safe. Our control room has answered an average of 20,000 999 calls and over 20,000 non-emergency calls every month throughout the year, in addition to thousands of emails and messages to us online. With your support, my officers and staff and volunteers have worked around the clock to prevent and detect crime, protect, serve and reassure our communities and provide a first-class service to victims. Over the course of the past 12 months, they have disrupted and broken up criminal gangs, taken dangerous people off our streets, safeguarded some of the most vulnerable people in our communities and have run towards danger when someone needed help. It has also been another busy year policing major events and protest activity in our towns and cities. Cardiff hosted the very first dates of the Oasis reunion tour in July, as well as numerous other major sporting events and royal visits. People attending these events were met by smiling, approachable and friendly officers. Officers who are extremely proud to be a part of the very communities they serve, and the feedback we receive from visitors is always so positive. While many of us will be looking forward to spending a peaceful time with family and friends over the festive season, work does not stop for my officers, staff and volunteers who will be working 24/7 to help keep you safe. If you're going out to enjoy what our towns and cities have to offer, expect to see a visible police presence. As always, we have specific operations running for the Christmas period, but this year we're taking part in a nationwide winter of action to tackle shoplifting and antisocial behaviour in the daytime and to prevent violence, alcohol-related crime in the nighttime economy. This follows on from the Safer Streets Summer initiative, where our neighbour policing teams targeted crime and antisocial behaviour and all your concerns in 10 key areas across the force. The Neighbour Policing Guarantee has strengthened our existing neighbour teams by an additional 70 officers and has put renewed focus on this important area of local policing. So my message to you is look out for our Christmas campaign and read some of the practical crime prevention advice to help keep yourself safe, whether that's in our town and city centres, on the roads or online. Please work with us to do what you can to keep yourselves and your families safe. Remember to check in with vulnerable or elderly neighbours who may really appreciate a simple hello or a chat at this time of the year. Please get in touch if you need us. My officers and my staff are working around the clock to respond. Like many of you, our officers, staff and volunteers are parents, sons, daughters, grandparents, nephews and nieces who live in the communities of South Wales and put their own safety on the line to protect others. I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. Nadolig lawen I chi gyd from us all here at South Wales Police. Please stay safe, look after one another and respect those who are working tirelessly to protect you. Diolch.